This luxurious shipping container home is located in Fredericksburg. The house has got so many amazing features and is a wonderful illustration of what can be accomplished with a little creativity and careful planning using a single 40-foot high cube shipping container. The front door opens into a cozy open-plan living space. On one end of the living space is an airy lounge area that is fitted with a classically elegant couch for relaxing and enjoying the space's ambience. The couch can also be converted into a comfortable bed for additional sleeping options. Next to the lounge area is a bright kitchen space. The miniaturized versions of all the different kitchen elements makes the space look lovely throughout. Everything from the small sink to the fridge is designed to give the same amount of functionality that a full kitchen would have while taking up only a half of the space. In addition, the kitchen has a small breakfast bar that also functions as the home's working space. Opposite the kitchen is a small dining area that can sit two. The bathroom stands out as the crown jewel of this amazing space. It is well done and executed with high quality workmanship. The bedroom has its beautifully designed space and is cozy, comfortable within such small area. It features a comfortable king-sized bed, good-sized bedroom windows, and storage cabinets. The interior walls are shiplapped throughout, creating an amazing interior space. The interior walls are painted white, making the spaces appear more prominent and creating a sense of big indoor spaces. The hardwood flooring is used throughout the house, creating a warm, welcoming feel. Parts of the exterior of the house are cladded in wood, giving the house a nice contemporary look. The house has got nice outdoor spaces to complement indoor living. There is a spiral staircase that connects to the rooftop deck, where you can enjoy the amazing views of the neighborhoods, including stargazing at night. This amazing cabin is listed as a guest house. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. Which part of this amazing container cabin appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.